Hi, welcome to the Vannado channel. Today we will take you behind the scenes to show you how our campervans are created, starting with the initial 3D sketches, moving through advanced production technologies, and ending with the finished components. We begin our process in CAD software, where every detail of the interior is modeled with precision and care. To ensure accuracy and consistency, we collaborate with MAN and Mercedes using their official 3D models. This partnership guarantees that our designs meet manufacturer's standards and maintain the vehicle's warranty. Each element, from ergonomics to aesthetics, undergoes digital testing, which helps minimize the risk of errors during production. Once the designs are finalized, we focus on choosing the best materials. We prioritize natural high-quality resources, offering a lot of natural veneers to personalize the interiors to our clients' preferences. We also use durable, stain-resistant upholstery fabrics and Swiss-made Forbo linoleum for furniture and flooring, valued for its exceptional quality and stylish appearance. Our production process relies on advanced machinery, including 2 CNC routers and 3 3D printers. The CNC routers ensure precision when cutting components, handling pieces as large as 7 meters. The first router operates within a 250 by 125 centimeters working area, while the second accommodates even larger formats of 700 by 300 centimeters. These routers allow us to cut not only furniture components, but also insulation custom fitted to a van's walls. Meanwhile, our 3D printers handle the creation of smaller yet critical parts such as brackets, covers, and adapters. 2 of the printers featured working areas of 30 by 30 centimeters, while our largest printer, with dimensions of 120 by 60 centimeters, is capable of producing sizable items. Thanks to these technologies, we produce approximately 50 wooden components and several 3D printed parts each day. This streamlined process is up to 90% faster than traditional methods. The production of components is just the first step. In our next episode, we will take you inside our carpentry workshop to explore the final stages of creating a campervan's interior. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future episodes, and give us a thumbs up if you like what we do. See you next time. Bye.